Introducing pocket on the night guard. Ta-da! So, if you're into saving money or like to have extra wallet, now you can put your wallet and extra money in this pocket on the night guard. Do you see that right here? Ba-doo! Beautifully designed, one of a kind. Never mind, I'll stop the commercial. But hey, this is a very interesting case. We have a customer that have a tooth that's out of alignment, and when the customer bite down, that particular tooth is resting right behind the this incisor here. So if we don't create that pocket, it's going to make this tooth